Now we will discuss the question number 7 from IIT JEE Advanced 2024. Question number 7, which is also an MSQ type question. That means one or more than one options are correct. So let's read the question. Let R3 denote the three-dimensional space, that means 3D, and take 2 points P 1 to 3 and Q 4 to 7. Then distance of xy denote the distance between 2 points x and y in R3. So let S a set defined and T is also a set defined. The difference between two distances square is equals to 50, like that, using the point P and Q. Then which of the following statements is or are true? First, there are triangle whose area is 1 and all of those vertices are from S. There are two distinct points L and M in T, such that each point on the line segment LM is also in T. Option number C, there are infinitely many rectangles of perimeter 48. Two of those whose vertices are from S and the other two vertices are from T. Option number D, there is a square of perimeter 48, two of whose vertices are from S and the other two vertices are from T. So to solve this question, first of all, we need to know that here we need the topic coordinate geometry 3D. And to solve this question, we need to know about the distance between 2 points, x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2. This is the formula, we know that. And we need to know about the distance between two parallel planes. First of all, we need to know the equation of the planes, and then distance between the two parallel lines, that is the difference of the constant part, its modulus, because distance is always positive, by root over of s square plus b square plus c square, where a, b, c are the coefficient of x, y, z. Now, to solve the question, we need to solve S and T in a simplified way. That means the set in a simplified way. तो कैसे हम S को define करें? उसके लिए first of all we need to know the point. Let X is of the form X, Y, Z type of point, and for Y also we can take like that. It is a point from 3D plane, so we can take that. Now S को simplify करने के लिए we need S equals to distance. S equals to like this, distance of xp its square minus distance of xq its square is equals to 50. So P is 1, 2, 3 and Q is 4, 2, 7. We need to use that. So S को कैसे लिखें? Distance square, so we can remove that square part. We can remove we can remove that square root part. So it will be S is x, y, z, because x belongs to R3. So x, y, z belongs to R3, such that x minus 1 its square plus y minus 2 its square plus z minus 3 its square. This is the first part, that means distance between x and P. So bracket minus x minus 4 its square plus y minus 2 its square plus z minus 7 its square is equals to nothing but 50. So अगर हम इसको solve करें, it will be x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus z square minus 6z plus 9 minus x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 plus z square minus 14z plus 49 is equals to 50. So we can see that y part will be removed because they are totally same and minus is there. X square z square भी कट जाएगा. Then it is 8x minus 2x, that is 6x, then minus 6z and plus 14z, so plus 8z, then so this and 50. If we simplify it, it will be minus 105 equals to 0. So we can write it xyz belongs to R3 such that 6x plus 8z minus 105 equals to 0. Similarly, for T, xyz belongs to R3 such that just opposite, x minus 4 square plus y minus 2 square plus z minus 7 square minus x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square plus z minus 3 square is equals to 50. So other part will be same, that means coefficient of x, y, z will be same. So 6x plus 8z, but sign will be opposite and 50 will be same, so it will be minus 5 equals to 0. You can check it by your own. So this is for rough part. Okay. So it is clearly visible that 6x plus 8z minus 105 equals to 0 or 6x plus 8z minus 5 equals to 0. दोनों ही plane को represents करते हैं. So if we think like there are two planes, not only they are planes, they are parallel planes because coefficient of x, y and z are same. So they are parallel planes. So we have two parallel planes. One plane points from first plane lies in S and points from second plane lies in T. Now option number A represents there is a triangle whose area is 1 and all of those vertices are from S. So अगर हम इसको सोचते हैं कि ये S वाला प्लेन है, तो इसके ऊपर अगर हम 3 points लेते हैं, so we can draw any triangle, even their area can be 1 unit, can be anything. So एक प्लेन के ऊपर 1 unit का ट्राइंगल हम ऐसे ही ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. सो देयर इज अ ट्राइंगल हुज एरिया इज 1 एंड ऑल ऑफ हुज वर्टिसेस आर फ्रॉम एस इज करेक्ट. नाउ अगर हम टी प्लेन में 2 पॉइंट्स लेते हैं एनीवेयर एल एंड एम, and if we join them, any points on that plane, on that line will be obviously on that plane. So we can say that there are two distinct points L and M in T such that each point on the line segment LM is also in T. Obviously correct. Then option number C, there are infinitely many rectangles whose perimeter is 48. So first of all, we need to know the distance between these two parallel planes. We can solve. The distance will be mod of the constant part. So it will be minus 105 minus of minus 5 by root over of a square plus b square plus c square, that means 6 square plus 0 square plus 8 square, which is equals to 100 by 10, so 10 units. So इन दोनों प्लेन के बीच में परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है 10 units. So we can easily draw any rectangles of 48, having 48 units perimeter. How? 10, and this is also 10. So if we draw here 14 and 14, that means 10 plus 10 plus 14 plus 14, which is equals to 20 plus 28, which is 48. Even we can draw more. Even we can draw more rectangles of perimeter 48 between these two parallel planes. How? It can be like this form. This perpendicular distance, this perpendicular distance. So perpendicular distance is 10 and this will be 14 and 14. Obviously drawing is not appropriate because going outside. So the plane should be like this. देख के तो लगता है plane थोड़ा सा है, but actually plane is so long. So we can draw like that. So you can say that there are infinitely many rectangles of perimeter 48, two of whose vertices are from S and two of whose vertices are from T. It is correct because first 2 points are from S and the second 2 points are from T. You can clearly, first 2 points are from S and the second 2 points are from T. Now the last option, there is a square of perimeter 48, two of whose vertices are from S and other from T. So rectangles के लिए 10 10 14 14, okay, but for square we need 48 divided by 4, that means 12 units. चारों साइड्स 12 यूनिट्स का होना चाहिए. तो आपको देख के लग सकता है कि 10 unit perpendicular distance, so there will be no square. But if you think that there are two parallel planes and a square lies in a bended form, square lies in a bended form. In that case, it can be 12. Perpendicular distance is 10, but the square lies like a plane which is in a angled form. थोड़ा टेढ़ा होके है. So 12, 12, and we can take 12, 12 because plane तो बहुत बड़ा है. You can take at least one square we can draw, which is in a bended form. So we can say at least one square is there. Option is there is a square. So at least one square to मिल जाए. For rectangle there are infinitely, but for square at least one we can say. For rectangle we can draw so many rectangles. Like two sides are 10 units and two sides are 14 units. So all the options are correct. Option A, B, C, D, all the options are correct. So if you tick any of the option, you will get 1. If you tick any of the 2, you will get 2. If you tick any of the 3, you will get 3. And if you tick all of the 4, you will get 4. So if you attend this question, you will get obviously at least 1 marks. So in the next video, we will solve more questions of IIT JEE. Till then, stay tuned. Have a great day ahead. If you find the video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.